And in Tampa, Florida, we're watching testimony in the bedtime murder trial.
The defendant there is Jermaine Bass. He's facing multiple charges, including first-degree murder in connection to the fatal shooting of his own 5-year-old daughter. His 8-year-old son was also injured but survived during that incident.
Let's go back to the courtroom now for more testimony from the Hillsborough County Sheriff's deputy on the stand.
Did you speak with him?
Yes.
All right. What did he tell you happened?
He told me that there was an accidental discharge and the gun went off and hit the child.
All right. Did you know about another child upstairs?
Not at that time, no.
Okay. When did you first hear about the other child upstairs?
When Deputy White came downstairs and said that there was another victim upstairs.
All right. Had the defendant, Mr. Bass, ever said anything to you about this other victim upstairs?
No.
All right. Did you ever go upstairs?
At one point I did go upstairs. I got up to the top of the stairs. I was able to see that there was enough deputies up there treating the other child, so I went right back downstairs.
Were you wearing a body-worn camera on that day?
Yes.
All right. Explain to the jury what a body-worn camera is, how it works.
So a body-worn camera is the camera. For a normal call that you go to, you have to turn it on yourself, but anytime like we pull out our weapon, turn on your taser, turn your lights on your car, it automatically comes on, but we use it every single call we go to, we turn it on. And it records everything. It can see everything we see, it sees.
Are you in fact wearing a body-worn camera right now?
Yes.
Can you point it out and show it to the jury where it's located?
It's right here.
The record reflect he's standing up and identifying like a black box in the center of his chest.
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's already been introduced as State's Exhibit number 2. Did you, in fact, review this?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And is this, in fact, a copy of the body-worn camera you were wearing on that day?
Yes.
All right. And does it fairly and accurately depict what you saw when you arrived on scene?
Yes.
All right, Judge, I'm going to publish it now.
Paramedics are coming right now.
Oh, please, now.
What happened? What happened?
Oh, the guy did start.
Okay. Somebody got a med bag. Get a med bag.
Oh, God, no. Please, hurry.
They're coming. 52 on EMS. Hey, can you hear me?
Please, hurry.
They're here. They're coming. Yeah, they're cleared upstairs. We cleared it downstairs.
It's okay.
Not yet. Said it was an accidental discharge. Thank you. 46 the station, number 1025, and the house is clear. We got another use of the okay. Okay. On. Out 47, be advised, there's another gunshot victim upstairs. It's a juvenile female. Yes, 10-4. How did the accidental discharge happen? What happened?
It was going, I was...
From you or somebody else?
I was trying to take out the magazine and it went off.
Alright, we'll get it figured out. Just stay calm for now. What happened upstairs?
Nothing happened upstairs. You have those two,
Hey, we still have to get some zeros, so make sure you check that out.
Got you. Is she breathing?
Where's it up right now? Be honest. It's upstairs on the dresser.
On top of it, or in the dresser?
On top of the dresser. Where it should be in the dresser, in that silver dresser. Remember, they match the bed. Yes.
Okay. You gotta go check it on. Got you.
Okay. What's one upstairs?
Hey, what's upstairs?
It's worse upstairs.
Okay, adult?
No, juvenile, female.
Okay. Take this one to the rescue. Two juvenile.
Stay right where you're at. Stand up for me real quick. I'm just gonna pat you down for weapons, please. Just put them on your head. On your head. Turn around for me. You got nothing on you right now.
You got something on the side of your head.
Left side of his head. All right, have a seat. You're good.
Get up there. Coming down now. When you have a 4-year-old. Where at?
So you're saying that whatever happened to him, is that your son?
Both of those are my kids.
Both of those are your kids. So it accidentally discharged and hit your son. What happened to your daughter upstairs?
The same thing. They was both in the bed together.
They were both in the bed together?
Yes. I think our range, you know what?
You're saying both kids were in the bed together and you were in their room?
I was in there.
People upstairs?
Out 47, the father's saying that he shot both of them with the gun around, accidentally the gun went off. So nobody else was in this house, just you and them?
Me and my wife.
And your wife? Where was she at?
She was in her room.
She was in her room?
I went to the window.
I'm gonna be right.
Yeah.
Deputy, was Mr. Bass eventually taken into custody at that point?
Yes, sir.
All right. Did you have any further involvement in this case?
No, sir.
May I have one moment, Your Honor?
Yes.
Judge, I'll pass the witness.
All right.
Morning, Deputy Brainy. How are you?
Good, ma'am.
I only have a couple additional questions
Yes,
for you.
ma'am.
All right, so when you entered the home, you saw Mr. Bass sitting on the couch cradling his son, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you could see that his son, JJ, had been injured.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And there was actual blood that was bleeding from JJ onto the father, Mr. Bass, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Onto the father, Mr. Bass, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And throughout your contact with Mr. Bass, he was cooperative with you, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And we heard on the body cam he was yelling such stuff as, "Just help my child." Do you remember hearing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. At some point, you are talking to him, and he says something about the gun being on the dresser. But then later, do you recall he does in fact say on or in the silver dresser?
I remember him saying on the dresser. I think some other deputies were coming in and out and trying to say we still haven't found it yet, but I don't recall that part.
That's okay. So do you believe then that at some point that he says on, but then does say it's in the silver dresser?
It's a possibility, yes.
All right. Other deputies body cams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it's you, Deputy White is there, Deputy Jones, and you are training Deputy Rahman, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. He also indicates that his wife was there as well. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.